Nike, Jordan brand, this is definitely getting out of hand. And I can see a turn for the worse when it comes to this specific model, this specific silhouette, and probably even the colorway, because this ain't it at all, man. We gotta talk about it in today's video. Let's get right to it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys come and see what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And again, we gotta discuss some things along with another, first look of a sneaker we didn't have for a while now, but we are about to get them very soon. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please do your boy a solid and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So let's run them likes up. Let's get them comments going. I've been loving the comments these last couple of videos. You guys have been going crazy, and I am loving the energy. Just know the energy you give me, the energy I'm gonna get back to you guys. So with all that being said, let's jump to today's topic, man. All right, you guys know on February the 14th and February the 15th, we are getting a double drop. And what I've heard in the past or recently is that they're gonna give us a pushback for one of these Jordan 1s, and I haven't seen anything solid on that yet. So as of now, bro, we're getting two back-to-back OG nostalgic colorways. Of course, we do have the Air Jordan 1 black toes right here and that reimagined spinoff. You guys can see by the box with him holding his sneakers over his shoulder with the red Air Jordan on the side. If you guys don't know, we're getting the red Air Jordan 3s and 4s this year. It's just jam-packed releases, but I did want to flip these out and chop it up about the black toes, man. You guys see them, bro. The black toe Air Jordan 1s, and I know you guys said, I'm gonna change my opinion, I'm gonna change my mind, my energy gonna shift, but I've had these for like 4 or 5 months now, and my energy is still exactly the same. I'm not a huge fan of them. I'm not saying that you guys don't gotta like them. I'm just saying, me personally, I just rock with my, satin black toes for a while. But these right here are something that I know people gonna go out there and give some energy towards it. I'm not saying it's gonna be a sitter. I'm not saying that people aren't going to appreciate this colorway. But just me personally, man, that Air Jordan, I don't know how much I am feeling that. But you guys can see this is a first look of the Air Jordan 1 black toe reimagined. I almost forgot what this called, I'm about to say breads, but the black toe reimagined, guys. Yellow on the midsole, Air Jordan, you guys know. And it does come with 2 sets of laces, black and red, these guys. You guys know what they're coming for. But again, this is something that a lot of people have high on their radar, with it being an OG nostalgic colorway in the sneaker. And the main priority for today's video is the Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85s. And I do have the satin pair right here. You guys know we got satins. We got satins in the past. We got patins. We got so many different variations of the bread. It just don't make no sense. And now, like I said, on the 15th or 14th, one of the two. It's one I'm dropping on the 14th, which is the black toe, and the bread is the 15th. If not, it's vice versa. But we are getting the Bread High 85s. And the crazy thing that I'm literally over here thinking, like, what's going on? The retail is $250, bro. $250. That is crazy. It is super steep, and a lot of people are not excited about that retail tag. That's a pair of foams, bro. I don't even think actually foams, the pros, do retail for $250, but still, bro, like $250 for a pair of Air Jordan 1s. And if I'm not mistaken, the high 85s are a little bit thinner, they're a little bit lighter in my opinion. And we paying $250 for what? It's just crazy because we haven't spent anything over the normal retail price for these reimagined, the reimagined 3s, the reimagined 4s. I think everything have been consistent with the normal pricing, besides maybe I think the bread 4 reimagined did go up just a little bit, but $250? $250 is crazy, bro. And I'm not too sure what Nike's thought process was behind it. Again, we have not seen early pictures. We ain't seen early looks. We ain't seen anything besides mock-ups and the older pair of the high 85. So it could come with a crazy dope box. It could come with 2 pair of Jordans. I don't know, maybe a Converse in there. I don't know what's going on, but $250 is steep. And I did not believe it, bro. I was like, people just talking about that. And then we got some information from Sneaker Files and Z Sneakerheads. They said, yes, the retail tag is $250. And I said, bro, do I really want the bread highs that bad? And if you do, I guess you will be spending that $250 retail tag. But with that being said, I do think a lot of people are either going to be like, on on the fence of copping or kind of testing to see how that sneaker does do on the release date. With it being a bread one, like the last bread ones dropped in 2016, people were going crazy for them. I didn't get a pair. I still don't have a pair. I got the patents, I got the satins, I got all types of breads. I do not have the pair that dropped in 2016, and that pair flew. I feel like that's what really kind of spiked up the Jordan 1, you know, hype again after the long hiatus for the breads coming out. And I do think potentially, bro, these will still sell out just for it being a bread colorway. And I want you guys to don't take that with a grain of salt because it is coming up close to that release date. We ain't seen pairs. I've been trying to search for pairs. I've been trying to search for all types of sneakers coming out in February. It's been crickets. And I do think that this has the potential to sell out and people to gravitate towards it. It could be a problem, bro. People gonna choose. They want the black toes. Let me grab them. They gonna say, do I want the black toes or do I want the bread high 85s? And if I'm being honest, bro, I would rather get the high 85s. You know, the retail tag is crazy over these joints right here. So we shall see, bro, how it happens, how it plays out. But again, don't take my word for it if you don't want to, but do not sleep on the high 85s. I know the retail tag is crazy, but them things is gonna move. And you know, based off the past couple Jordan 1 releases, that don't sound like a catch, but with it being a bread, it's a potential. It could potentially sell out and cause some issues on the back end of the release, man. So we shall see. I want you guys to go ahead and comment down below in the comment section what you think about that retail tag. What have you been copping, bro? This weekend we do have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, and a lot of people are putting those over the Black Cat 4s. It's crazy, and we get both in the same year, the Black Cat 3s and the Black Cat 4s, which is a little bit crazy. But I'm already knowing, man, people are going to bottom things up because all black sneakers super versatile. But what's your first pickups of the year? What are you on within this next couple of weeks? I'm interested. Let me know down below in the comment section. But again, man, thank you guys so much. Make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video, man. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.